Hi guys, I'm Hivan. Today I gonna talk about BTU. BTU is British Thermal Units. BTU is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 pound water 1 degree Fahrenheit. For example, if we have a pan to put 1 pound of water, and we put the thermometer, we measure about for example 68 degree Fahrenheit, and we put the flame start to burning, and when we burn 1 pound water, and the thermometer reaches 69 degrees, that means we raise 1 degree Fahrenheit. So the amount of heat to raise 1 pound of water, burn 1 pound of water, and water absorb those heat from the flame and increase to 1 degree Fahrenheit. So that we say 1 BTU. That's all.